Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install VMware Workstation, how to create a virtual machine, set up different network adapters like NAT and bridge, and also how to take snapshots to save your VM state. Even if you are beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything in simple way. Let's talk about what is VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation is a virtualization software that allows you to run multiple operating systems on one PC. Like you can run Windows Server, Linux, or Windows 10 inside your normal Windows system. It helps in testing, learning, and labs without affecting your main system. So let's talk about the requirements and file needed. You need a 64-bit system with virtualization enabled in BIOS. Minimum 8 GB RAM and 40 GB free disk recommended. First, download these VMware Workstation Installer ISO file of the operating system you want to install. Let's install the VMware Workstation. Double click on the VMware Workstation installer. Installation is straightforward, just keep clicking next and accept the license agreement. Click on finish. Now we will create our first virtual machine. Open VMware. Click on create a new virtual machine. Choose typical and click on next. Select the OS image. Click on next. Name your VM and choose location to save. Click on next. Set disk size as recommended and check this point that says store virtual disk as a single file. Click on next. Click on customize hardware. Increase RAM. Add more CPU cores. Check network adapter. We will explain this in next chapter. Click on finish. Now power on your VM and follow the normal OS installation steps. Virtual machine works like a separate computer inside your system. It will boot from the ISO just like a real PC boots from a DVD or USB. Now let's talk about the network adapter. Network adapter decides how your VM connects to the internet or your local network. There are three main types of network adapter. First, network address translation. VM uses your host internet connection, best for beginners. Second is bridged. VM connects directly to your real network, gets its own IP from your router. Third one is host only. VM communicates only with host PC, no power of your VM. Open VM settings. Go to network adapters and choose the network adapter type as your requirement and make sure check to this option that says connect at power on. Click OK. Now let's talk about virtual network editor. Network editor lets you manage VMware's virtual switches VMnet 0, VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. It controls how VMware connects to your host real network adapters. Click on edit. Go to virtual network editor. Run as administrator if needed. VMnet 0 bridge network. Connect to your real physical adapter. VMs on bridge mode use VMnet 0. You can select which physical adapter is used, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. VMnet 8 is NAT network used for NAT connections. VMware creates an internal DHCP and NAT service for internet sharing. You can also set your network subnet IP from here and gateway from here. And also set the DHCP range. Click on DHCP setting. From here you can set the starting IP and ending IP. VMnet 1 host only network used when you select host only host and VM can talk. If your breached VM is not getting an IP, open the virtual network editor and check which adapter VMnet 0 is linked to. For example, your Wi-Fi card. You can add or remove virtual networks. You can assign static IP names for host-only networks. You can restore default if something goes wrong. In short, the virtual network editor is the brain behind VMware's networking. It decides how each virtual adapter behaves. Power on your virtual machine. Now let's talk about the taking snapshots. A snapshot saves the current state of your VM. If something goes wrong, you can revert to that exact point. To take snapshots, make sure your VM is on. Click on VM, go to snapshot and click on take snapshot. Name it, click take snapshot. Now let's see how can we revert snapshot. Go to VM, go to snapshot, click the snapshot you take, click on it and click on yes. Use snapshots before big changes like update or new software installation, but don't keep too many. They take disk space. Install the VMware tools. VMware tools improves performance and add features like drag and drop, better screen resolution and smooth mouse movement. In the running VM, click on VM and click on install VMware tools. Now inside the VM, open CD drive. Click on yes. Follow the setup wizard. Now finish the wizard and reboot your VM. After reboot, your VM will run faster and smoother. Now talk about troubleshooting tips. Common problems are VM would not start, enable virtualization in BIOS, no internet, check adapter type, ensure connect at power on is enabled, VM is slow, increase RAM and CPU costs, display issue, reinstall VMware tools. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Installation, VM creation, network setup and snapshots all within VMware Workstation. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to install VMware Workstation, create a virtual machine, set network adapters and take snapshots all step by step. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends learning IT. Thanks for watching. This is Bear. See you in the next video.